Programming your Chevy Malibu's key fob involves syncing it with the car's security system. The process varies by year. Newer models, 2023 plus, often use the My Chevrolet app for digital key functionality, employing NFC or Bluetooth. Older models, 2016 to 2022, typically allow DIY programming using the ignition and trunk release. GM has introduced advanced security like encrypted rolling codes, making unauthorized duplication harder and sometimes requiring dealer assistance, especially for post-2019 vehicles. For Chevy Malibu models from 2016 to 2022, you can try programming the key fob yourself using a simple DIY method. First, turn the ignition to the on position without starting the engine. Then, press the lock and unlock buttons on the key fob in sequence. Finally, cycle the ignition to complete the programming. For Malibu models from 2023 and newer, programming is done through the vehicle's infotainment screen. Access the vehicle menu on the infotainment screen and follow the prompts to add a new key fob. If programming doesn't work, check for common issues that can cause failures. Weak signals or low battery power in the key fob are common culprits. Always test the fob while standing close to the vehicle, within about 5 to 10 feet. If the DIY method doesn't work or you encounter complex problems, professional dealer assistance is recommended. This is particularly important for newer models with advanced security features. Complex issues involving the body control module or requiring factory resets need expert help. Also, remember that incorrect programming can activate the vehicle's security system.